Okay, for this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use the animateDamage property and for the STUG map editor. In this case, to start, you acquire a sprite sheet, and I have one already made. It's my trusty little olive. So first what we're going to do is go to our item that we've loaded in, a sprite sheet. I'll do a tutorial on how to make sprite sheets later, but you right click here and you convert to new tile set. Make sure you click this animate icon, and the milliseconds, this doesn't matter. This just controls the speed of the animation without any alternate effects. Once you have that active, you need to set the tile set to the appropriate values to capture each and one of these instances on this image. In this case, I know the image is 256 by 256 pixels. So, 256 by 256. This captures just one of them. It'll be different per image depending on the size of your image, so you gotta remember how big each of your sprites are on your tile set. Now, we need to set its columns. I know there are 6 columns here, so I bring this up to 6, and I know there are 11 sprites here, 11 frames for the sprite. So we bring this up to 11. Now if we look at this, all of them have been captured. They are individual objects. They are individual frames of the animation, not objects. Although they can be objects, because that's how tile sets work normally without animation. Now once we have that, we want to go to its property key, and we want to type in animateDamage. Make sure it's case sensitive, so you make sure that that second word is capitalized. And it's a Boolean value. Click plus, set this to true, and most importantly, you have to give it a health value, because animateDamage does not work without health. It calculates what frames to set the item on based on the percentage of health missing. So, you want to go to integer, health. Since there's no second word, we don't need to capitalize it. Click plus here, and give it some health. I will give it 100, because that's the normal health amount. And it will show us an effect right away. Now, we X out of this menu. We go to this new tab that's been created, turning olive test tile set. Grab this item with the play button on it, and post it here. You'll see it rotate in the map editor, but that's fine. It won't be a problem. Now I'm going to start a game. I have this random spawn, so I'm always next to the object. And now, as soon as this loads, oh shoot, I forgot. I didn't set. This is one item I forgot. Oops. If you don't do this step, it doesn't work. You have to go to the object. You have to go to this object, set its key to dynamic_object. Once that's done, the border of the image will count as a hitbox, and now, once I start this up, it's still not working. Why is it not working? I must have messed up somewhere. Let's see where we messed up. Oh, it doesn't have the properties we gave it. You gotta remember, one thing apparently is that you have to make sure you have to add animateDamage after you've created the animated object. So we gotta do this all over again. animateDamage plus, set that to true, health, set that to integer, set that to 100. It's arbitrary what number you set it to, but if you set it to something like 10, it'll die in one shot and you'll never see the effect. Now, this should work. See? It's not moving, and when I shoot it, it turns. If I ram into it, it turns some more. There's no way to create a destroyed object as far as I know. Like, yes, it's possible because we see it in the Tank Park map, but I don't know how to do that. What I do know is how to create an object that animates upon taking damage, which means you can give it levels of being damaged before it disappears in this little puff of smoke. And, yeah, that's about it.